Welcome back, everyone. It's been a minute since I talked about Snapchat on this channel, but dude, I cannot believe how bad Snapchat is still on Android devices. Now, not too long ago, Snapchat actually went ahead and rebuilt their whole entire app for, Android devices. So basically, before it was horrible. Now, it apparently was a better, they completely redesigned it and everything. But I can't be the only one who thinks this. My second channel, I talk about Snapchat a lot, and a lot of people complain more about Snapchat on Android than on iOS. And the other day I went ahead and actually used it for a second, and I just can't believe how glitchy the whole entire OS is, how everything just looks so choppy. Now the actual things itself, aren't really that bad, like smooth, like maneuvering around. It used to be a lot worse. Now it's a little bit better, but you can still see it looks a little bit dated. My only gripe is the quality of the videos and the photos. So some people have stated before that it actually just takes a screenshot of the photo itself rather than taking the actual photo from the camera. So if I take this photo right here, this is one of the best cameras this year, the Samsung Galaxy S21. I think the photos that I've taken on Snapchat with this thing aren't really that great. This photo is not going to look that great regardless on any phone I take it on, but the UI of it, when I go ahead and zoom in, zoom out, even the video, when I take the video, okay, whatever, I'm gonna allow it. Even when I take a video and I go ahead and zoom out, it just doesn't look that smooth and it's just so finicky. That is an issue that I've seen time and time again on Android. You can see zooming in, zooming out. If I look on my camera itself, look how smooth it is to zoom in and out. It's much smoother than on the actual Snapchat on, Snapchat on Android. Now it may look a little bit more, glitchy on the camera that I'm using, but let me go and switch to my iPhone now. So if I go into my iPhone, okay, low battery, whatever, just look at how much smoother it is to zoom in and out. I mean, that is worlds behind. I mean, how is it still that on Snapchat on Android, it's not as smooth as iOS? It makes no sense to me. Just look at how smooth that is. If I go in here, I mean, it just looks so smooth. It doesn't look choppy at all. That is the biggest issue that I saw on the Android side. Now, you might be wondering, well, what's the deal? You zooming in and out. What's the big deal with that on the camera? On Snapchat, at least. Well, Snapchat is like the majority of the thing of Snapchat is the photo and video. Other than that, it's just like a text, platform. So this is like the number one thing about it. And my thing is that if I was using a super old phone or super old software, then it'd be different. This is the latest, most up-to-date version of Snapchat. On top of that, this is one of the most, up-to-date phones, the Galaxy S21. It just came out not too long ago. I think the only other phone that I think of that came after this is like the OnePlus 9, and I had the same exact problem with that device too. So that is pretty much my main issue. The camera UI within Snapchat on these devices is so glitchy. It's just so unsmooth and so just rockety. I don't really understand what's going on with it. I think this is something that Snapchat really needs to look into. They may have to go and totally rebuild their app, but I'm probably recommending them to do it. I mean, this is a massive issue. I'm not a huge fan of it, and I really do hope Snapchat looks into it and at least attempts to fix this. This is a massive issue. It's been plaguing Android for a very long time. They kind of semi-fixed it, but hopefully they can fix it fully this time around. So that pretty much covers it up. If you guys have anything else, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.